Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I am super excited. I've been using Jungle Scout for over a year now, and somehow I'm just figuring out this feature that I don't know how long it's been there, but let me let me just show you. So we're going to be going looking for products, and it's going to be without the web app, just the Chrome extension. So if you don't know this method, you just type a negative sign and then just literally just mash your keyboard. And for some reason in here, look at that, we spelled flesh. Interesting. So anyway, let's get back to it. So you're going to come in and you're going to pick any category. So we'll go tools and home improvement. From tools and home improvement, you then dive one subcategory deeper. So we'll go tools and home improvement, and then in here are all of these. We'll go safety and security. And then from safety and security, the reason I keep diving deeper is because look at the reviews. So the reviews are still too high, right? 4,000, we're not gonna compete with someone that has 4,000 reviews. Maybe close to 1,000, but definitely not 4. That's insane. So we'll go in one more, right? So maybe fire safety, and then maybe, okay, so fire escape ladders, I guess we'll go into. That's as far as we'll get. So now what you can actually do is you can open up Jungle Scout just as you normally would. So we're not really analyzing any specific market here. I guess we're looking at fire escape ladders as a whole. But just bear with me here. So you let this load, and then you're going to extract several pages. So we're going to extract another page, extract another page, and that'll be good. Just, normally I'll open like 5 or 6 up, but just for the sake of showing you. And it's these little bars right here, these hiding little bars, man. 3 bars right here. You click on that, and I believe this is only available in the Jungle Scout Pro extension. So if you don't have Jungle Scout yet, it'll actually be the second link in the description. You could pick up Jungle Scout. It's for researching products. You could see the revenue of sellers, so then you could pick a product that has good revenue to sell. And it is an affiliate link. So if you guys appreciate the free content, if you're going to get Jungle Scout anyway, if you're going to start Amazon FBA, you can just help me out by getting it. You don't pay anymore. You actually pay $20 less with the link. So look at this, guys. So this is literally, it's like the web app built into the Chrome extension. So we could just pull up a ton of listings, then we'll say lowest price. So we want to see maybe $12 to $67. We want to see revenue of 5,000 minimum up to maybe 23,000. Is that 200,000? Yeah. Okay, 23,000, and then maybe we don't want to see anything over 3 pounds. So that's just very general. But let's filter results. Okay, so there's nothing that matched it, and that's my fault. Because I went into just one thing. It's just fire escape ladders. But let's go back. So let's go safety and security. Or maybe we'll go all the way back to tools, home improvement. Here's what we'll do. Tools, home improvement. And then we'll just do maybe measuring. Oh, light bulbs. Did I really just click light bulbs? We'll go measuring and layout tools. And let's just open it right here. So we can open it even, you don't have to keep going in as far as you normally would when you're doing this method of typing in gibberish up here. You could just open it right here. And then we're going to do the extract next page, extract next page, extract next page. And you're going to get, so there's maybe 100, 200 results here instead of just 25. Extract next page again, extract another one. So let's roll with like, this will be the last one we'll do. So this is loading. It's not super simple. So like Jungle Scout is a pretty intensive software. It's reverse engineering all the information on Amazon and on the listing and their algorithm to determine these numbers. It's incredibly accurate. So now let's try that again. So we'll go 12 and maybe like $65. We could go for some higher ticket stuff. And I have some videos coming out about why that might be good. Highest review, maybe we don't want to see someone with over 167 reviews max. Highest weight, maybe we'll just put like 1.5. So we'll go a little bit lower for the highest weight. And then revenue, lowest 5,000. And then we won't put a max. So let's check it out. Okay, so there's 2 listings that meet that criteria. So this carbon monoxide alarm, and then this laser tape measure. Okay, laser tape measure with 63 reviews by Tack Life. Good first picture, I'll give them that. Doing $125,000 in revenue. So let's go check that out. So we'll just take that idea And now this is product research. So it's giving you ideas, and then you could come over here. You could do laser tape measure. So there's the one we actually just saw. And let's open it up on this market. So now we have an idea, and we're going to use Jungle Scout to determine if that idea is any good, or if it's just going to be a no-go, and maybe it's too competitive, maybe there's not enough revenue. This is where we're really going to start analyzing and figuring out, is it good or is it not? So we're going to check it out. So we know that the guy with 66 reviews was doing good, right? Yeah, he's doing $44,000. So it's a little less than what it said there for some reason. I think it said like 150,000. I don't know why it said that. So we'll trust this one. That seems more realistic. I believe that more. That's not even the right thing. Tack Life seems to be doing good. So this might actually be good. Laser tape measure, there's one with 63 reviews, and then there's no other ones. Okay, there's one with 16 reviews, so super low. And now this is something that's really good to see. So when you come into a market and you see someone, you know, competing with people with 300 reviews, 400 reviews, 350 reviews, 350. Someone with 16 to be able to come in and make, you know, they're doing 10 sales a day. They're doing 16 reviews, making 11,000 a month in revenue. That's probably $5-6 grand, right? So that's $80,000 a year in income, in profit, from just coming in and seeing an opportunity. And that's all you have to do. And the more I experiment with Amazon FBA, and as my journey continues and you guys are coming along with me, you know, I started a year ago thinking that I couldn't sell anything if there was someone that had over 100 reviews. And now one of my current products is competing with someone that has well over 200. I think it was like 293, almost 300 reviews, and we're side by side on the first page. So the reason that is because I differentiated. And when someone buys something on Amazon, you could just say someone, and it's not always just someone. Like there's a bunch of different kinds of people that buy on Amazon. But one of the main things that people are looking for is just they have a product in mind, they have a convenience in mind, something that they need to get done, whether it's a task. They go to find that product, and most of the time, I do this all the time. Like I won't necessarily buy something because of the reviews if it's not exactly what I'm looking for. To give you a great example of this, I was just recently looking for a ring light. And those of you who don't know about really photography or videography, a ring light is just, you know, it's like a circle and it's light and it lights up your face for doing, you know, videos like this and other videos. Now I was looking for one that clamps onto the back of my desk and would go behind my computer, and I couldn't find any. So if someone had that product listed on Amazon and it was, you know, it was the right size, it would have gone over my computer and shot down on me, on my face so that the webcam looks good, I would have bought it, but it wasn't there. And even though there was other similar products with thousands of reviews, I didn't buy it because it wasn't what I was looking for. So you could capitalize on that and compete with people with literally thousands of reviews. Again, if someone had 6 5-star reviews, I would have bought that one if it was correct, and if it was exactly what I was looking for, instead of the one that had 2,000. That's just how it works a lot of the time. So don't be as afraid to compete with big competitors. Just know that when you are, you can't just sell their product, right? You have to change the product. So this is really cool, guys. So what we could even do again is, now that we have this market open, look for more. Again, someone making $5 grand a month with 17 reviews. There's the sponsored version of the other one, and they're selling at $40. Okay, and then what are these things? So these are laser, okay, those are laser distance measures, okay. And maybe we could even try and change our keyword a little bit. So we'll do maybe tape measure with laser. Okay, so there's 3. Am I seeing this correctly? Why is there no one else in this market? Okay, there's someone down here with 9 reviews. They're probably not doing good because they only have 3 stars. If they're making money, I'm going to cringe. Like, they're on the first page at $40 with 3-star reviews, and they have 9 reviews. I launched a product last month that is already on the first page, and it already has close to 20 reviews. So you could get 9 reviews in like a week and a half if you know how to email market correctly. Where is that person? So their name is Kueller. Is that the brand we're looking for? Kueller. Yeah, so they're not making any money, as I thought. Good. They shouldn't. They have 3-star reviews. Okay, so why don't we go to Alibaba, actually. And this is kind of funny. I just made this video to show you the little tool right here, right? So that's what this whole thing was about. And now we're looking into a market. And like, that's what I love about product research. It's such a different, exciting experience every single time. Tape measure with laser. Okay, so that doesn't have a laser, I don't think. And we could change it, maybe laser tape measure. Laser tape measure. Okay, $15 to $20. That's a little bit much. It's probably not the actual price of it though. So let's change our keyword a little bit. So let's do just tape, laser tape measure. Okay, so tell me that's not almost the exact one right here. It is the exact one. That's this product right here. Okay, so let's check that out. So what are they priced at? They're at $34.97. Okay, so over 50 pieces is $19.96. They're pretty small, so they will only probably be about $1.50, $2 to ship each. So let's see, that's $20, and then that's only 50 units. So it looks like for every 5x you go up, you get about $2 off, a little less than that. So maybe $1.50 off. So like maybe 250 pieces would be like, you get them down to probably like 15 per unit plus $1.50 shipping. So say we could get it for like $16.50. The fees shouldn't be too high. And let's just go see. So we could actually use a really cool tool called AMZ Scout Calculator. And then what we could actually do is we'll just start with like 10 in there. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right here. I want to actually see as close to 200% return on investment as I can get. So we're at 211 there. So maybe, let me just mess around here for a second. Okay, so we need $8.30 landing cost if we were gonna sell at that price. And then we'd even have to probably sell lower. So there's no way we could get it for $19. So we would have to negotiate down. And it looks like, okay, so they're including a laser level. Is that what that is? I'm guessing. Yeah, laser level. So what if you could do a laser level and this and then go $49.99? Because people are frequently buying the laser level for how much? I think it's one of those. I don't know which one it is. It's got to be 15 bucks. So let's say we could put them both together for, yeah, $49.99, right? And then that'll be our bundle. We'll do this, we'll do the other laser level, and then, maybe include batteries. We'll see. So we're just trying to differentiate on the fly here. But then now what that allows us to do is say we could bundle those together. Okay, and as long as it's about $13 per unit, we'll have our 200% return on investment. So every time you sell one of those sets, $25 in profit. And now that's best case scenario. So say it was 150% return on investment. That's still okay. So you have a $22 profit margin. Again, that's almost, it's probably like 46% profit margin. It's pretty good. I like a minimum of 35-40% profit margin. So that's right about where it should be. So if you could get both of these together for $15, maybe order more to make up the difference and negotiate with them, then there's a product for you. And it's definitely doable, because if we go back to the market here, tape measure with laser, there's like 5-6 sellers. There's a couple down here. How is he doing? So he's at a lower price. Oh, okay, there's a couple more down here. Let's check those out. And so the point of this video is just to show you this tool. But the whole point of this tool is to do product research more efficiently. So you could use that tool and then find new products. That's the kind of the whole point of what we're doing. So that one is, yep, we saw that one. I'm just interested in the ones that were down here. Okay, so that one not doing too hot at $38.80. Yeah, no wonder, because there's one that has 60 reviews that's at 35 and the picture is better. So this is where you need to innovate. You need to figure out, how can I make this product better than the one that's currently selling the best, and then offer it at a price that's lower so that I get all the sales initially, gain all the rank, and then once I've mastered that market, I'll slowly raise my price. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. Subscribe if you happen to be new here. Definitely would love for you guys to join the community. We're growing every day, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys want to learn more about Amazon FBA, it's the first link in the description. I have a free course. It's actually pay what you can afford. So yeah, there's not really much explaining to do there. It's a $500 course that you could get for any price. So you guys Have no excuses. Go learn how to do Amazon FBA. Start making some passive income. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.